Hello mga beshi! Tara, samahan nyo kaming sumakay sa cable car dito sa London. Isa ito sa mga tourist spots dito, but also functions as a public transport to cross the River Thames. This was opened last June 2012. It's 1 kilometer long and it will take about 10 minutes for a one-way journey. For this ride, you can pre-book your ticket or use debit or Oyster card. So ito yung current price list nila. Libre yung dalawang pamangkin ko because they were less than 5 years old at that time. 10 persons per cable car ang pwedeng accommodate nito. Pero since there are 9 adults and 2 children, we have to take 2 cable cars. This was the second time our parents experienced this ride. Ako at si Beshi ko ang kasama ni na mama at papa. Sa kabila naman sila yung magkakasama. Actually, kasama din namin dito yung hipag ng brother ko at yung asawa niya, who happened to be my high school classmates. Sayang nga hindi nakasama si kuya kasi may pasok pa siya nun. Ito yung view from the cable car and sa right side makikita mo ang O2 Arena. Naalala ko dati, dinala ako ng friend ko dito na si Luis Joy, na ngayon ay asa US na. Hi Luis! First time kong sumakay nun and it was nighttime. Personally, mas gusto kong sumakay dito ng gabi kasi I really enjoyed the view with the city lights. We didn't get the chance to go at nighttime kasi this was around summer. Late na masyado lumubog ang araw and kailangan naming umuwi ng maaga dahil may dalawa kaming batang kasama. So ayan, palabas na kami niyan and papunta sa O2 Arena. Kailangan mo lang mag-top out ulit. Yun lang mga beshi, see you sa next vlog!